Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chelsea if you're new. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick little thing of what I'm going to be doing for November, which kits. I didn't put the full-on kits. They are sitting over the side. I just wanted to show you guys which ones I'm going to do via the full boxes. Hear a kid in the background? That is my daughter. So for November, I'm going to be using the Make Your Own Magic, Choose Joy, Pretty Pumpkins, and Give Thanks. These are the four I'm going to be using for the month of November. If you want to see a more detailed description, you can either go to her website or you can check out my hauls down below. I did buy these at different times, so I'll have my hauls linked down below for you to check that out. But yeah, I'm going to be using Make Your Own Magic, Choose Joy, Pretty Pumpkins, and Give Thanks. And that is the order I'm going to do it in. As you can see, I have not prepped my monthly yet. But I did choose which kits I'm going to use, as well as I have still trying to figure out December, but I have an idea for January. I know it's a long time ahead and it's only October, mid-October. But considering the year of 2020 has been going by that quick, yeah, just figured I'd plan ahead, especially with virtual learning for the kiddo and therapy, or attempting to get therapy officially like set in stone. I've just had so many complications going on. It's just not fair to her. So, but anyways, these are the four kits I'm going to be using for November, so stay tuned. When this goes up, I will be having the base plan with me going up for Make Your Own Magic the week of November 2nd through the 8th. And yeah, plan with me right after, and then a memory spread for the week before, which is Halloween week. So a little sneak peek into what's coming up and what has gone on. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.